Good evening, everyone. Uh, I, Radhika Rajgarya, on behalf of MTT, welcome you all. I want to thank you all for finding time and attending today's webinar, which is on how to manage stress for positive change. Which is a wonderful topic selected by the Noshin ma'am. Now I want to introduce MTT. MTT is a marketplace for school, academician, professional institute to help them. Our mission is to make quality education available easily and affordable to all. So now I want to introduce our speaker, Roshin ma'am. She is an assistant professor at Sayam Siddhi Mitra Sangh Degree College. She has 15 plus year experience in teaching and administration. She is master in economics and education, currently pursuing PhD in economics. So let's start this beginning with a wonderful topic. So I have one quote for you all. It is not stress that kills us, it is our reaction to it. I know most of the people are facing stress due to this pandemic situation. So I guess today's session will be helpful for us, and Roshan ma'am will try to find a solution for us. Ma'am, with your permission, I just want to play one video.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम। तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं।
Over to you, ma'am. Now you can take over.
That was really good. Thank you, Radhika. First of all, I would like to thank MTT for inviting me as a speaker for the second time. And I had chosen this topic, how you can manage your stress for positive change. It's a fact that we are going through many situations, ups and downs, so stress is common. I took this topic as stress, like I just want to interact also in between, but before we go for the little bit interaction, stress is nothing but, a body react to some kind of situations that we all know. So even you can say that it is a kind of feeling like emotional or physical tension. Yeah. Managing stress for positive change. Next slide. Okay. Before moving, just a brief profile of mine. I am at present assistant professor at Swayam Siddhi Mitra Sangh Degree College, which is in Bhiwandi. I am a transformation coach. Transformation coach means I help people transform their life, or I coach people transform their life if they are stuck somewhere. I help them so that they can live a very better life. I am a teacher trainer also. I'm also on LinkedIn. You can connect with me. This is my profile. And these are my contact numbers. You can contact me. Email ID is also given. So stress, like in the introduction I had given, that stress is nothing like, means it is a reaction we give to certain kind of situations. So stress, it is a human tendency. इंसान की जो है फितरत ही है. Human tendency to feel powerless to stress. Whenever we feel, अरे I am very stressed, I am so powerless, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा how to do this all work, because we interpret our stress to be coming from sources outside of us. हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं कि ये सोचते हैं कि stress is coming from outside. इतना काम है, so stress. Boss is very hard, stress. New environment, stress. You just take all this thing like all is coming from outside. Present situation also we can say, like online classes. Oh my God, online classes. You felt stress. So you always blame what? You always think that the sources of stress is coming from outside. And so you just change your all attitudes, you change your thinking, and you just start reacting to that. Isn't it? I think many of you had done all these things. According to this new pandemic, you can see the present situation which is going on. Okay, Radhika, next. So everyone is doing this game, blame game, isn't it? Stress aaya. It is just because of that he, they, and all. We start blaming others instead of taking the responsibility that okay, aaya hai tum, that I will do that so that I will not feel stress. Instead of that, what we do? We start blaming. Just because of this, I am stressed. Just because of him, I am there. So this we just keep on going that blame game, what you can say like that. So can you tell me that what mistake usually you do? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? Or you can even interact with me by unmuting your mic. Can you tell me that what mistakes usually you do due to which you feel stressed?
We don't reflect, ma'am.
Yes.
We don't reflect on our action. Rather, we give our reaction.
Very good. And very good. Abhishek, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what else?
We lose faith on ourselves.
Okay, we lose faith on ourselves. Very good. That's what we don't take the responsibility, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
We expect from others, and we don't perform our duties from properly.
Very good. Very good. Yes. And who else?
We also
Huh?
doubt our faith on the Almighty for the
Yeah.
time being.
Exactly. We doubt that we will be able to do or not, and all these things come to our mind, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Except thinking about solution, we are just blaming to each other.
Very
Yes,
good.
exactly.
Exactly. We don't find the solution. Instead, we start blaming. Yes, Ata, Vaisata, like that, isn't it?
We don't
Yes.
want to do something from my heart.
Okay. So, see, work should be done through heart, isn't it? Because why? Unless and until your heart is involved, your work will not take that. You can say that scenario will not come to you. So that means the heart and brain is very necessary to do the work. Some common mistakes I'll tell you that first of all, what happens whenever we are at work, we take many work at a time just to impress someone. Okay, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. You just agree to all those things. But what happened finally? You are unable to control that. And why? Because the list goes on increasing and you are unable to complete all those listings. So this is the first mistake which we do. The another mistake is that we don't plan a schedule, that what and how we have to do. So this is the second mistake we do. Then the third mistake is that we never have our morning rituals. See, it is very common now. Whenever we get up, we have a mobile with us. We don't have any rituals, we don't have any exercise, we don't have any morning prayer, but we give importance to our mobile. We check emails, we check messages, and this is the very first reason, I could say this is the very first reason which put you in stress. Then not practicing self-care. We don't take care of ourselves. We don't take care of our health. We don't give importance to exercise. We don't give importance to yoga. We don't give importance to meditation, which is very necessary in today's world. Why? Because we are burdened with lots and lots of responsibilities. And we don't have any boundary for social media, isn't it? We are on LinkedIn, we are on Facebook, we are on Twitter. Okay, everywhere you are there, your presence is there. But you know, you are whole dedicated to the social media. You are dedicating yourself. You are not giving your time for family. or you're not giving your time for personal growth. So these are the common mistakes which you are doing, due to which you feel stressed. Okay, Radhika, next slide. In the mistakes, what mistakes we usually do. So from that we can say that we make the mistake of forgetting to look inside of ourselves as the source of our own stress. As many of you said just now, that we are not planning, we are not accepting. So who is the main reason behind all these things? We are blaming outside, but it's not outside. Okay, outside can be the little bit cause, but who is the main? We. The main source is we own. So when things change inside you, then only the things are going to change around you. Unless and until you change, you are not going to change the scenario around you. Outside will never change. So whatever the situations come to you, you have to take it very positively. Then only you can be able to cope up. As we had seen the mistakes, so there are different ways how you can use your stress for positive change. See, as you know that stress has many negative. We think that stress is negative, but when our brain has that power to think that stress can be negative, even that can change to positive also. So how it can be used for positive? Like first we can develop your self-awareness. This is the very first thing you should know, that where you are lacking behind, whether your stress is coming from the family part, whether it is coming from the work background, or whether it is you're not personally developed that much. Your personality needs to be developed, so you have to focus on those things. You have to get self-aware that where I am lacking behind, where I have to focus. When you come to know that I have to give more time for my family, or my family issues are going on, so that your complete focus will be towards your family. If you think that your stress is due to your work, so you have to plan accordingly. See, unless and until you don't come to know the root cause of your problem, you will not work. So there are many areas you can say. Not only these, I had given only 3. You can add as many as number. Your health can be also an issue, isn't it? Your physical environment can be an issue. Your fun and recreation can also be an issue. So there are multiple areas which can have different effects on yourself. So you have to develop your self-awareness from where exactly I'm getting this kind of reaction. Why I'm getting so emotional. Okay, next. So the another way to put your stress to positive is to get creative. Getting creative means you have to be a little bit innovative. Innovative means designing or making something new, different. Then even you have to be very much, you can say, excited also, because if you are not excited, you can't do the work. Like I think Parvesh sir, he told that you have to take the work by heart, isn't it? You have to think from heart. So unless and until you don't think from heart, you don't take the work from heart, you are not going to be creative. Then you have to take the risk also. Unless and until you don't take the responsibility, unless and until you don't take the ownership, your stress won't be reduced. So you have to take that step so that you can cover that up. Okay. Then next. Then you have to examine and act on priorities. See, there are multiple works, and multiple works, like many list is given that what thing you have to give the priority. Like you have to give the priority for family, as family is not, family relations are getting damaged, or work is not balanced. So you have to just make a list of all those things, that where and from how you are getting that much reaction. Now from that, like you have some four areas. In those 4 areas, you have to think that which one is the most important area you have to work on. So like for example, you have to work on personal growth. Like personal growth is your first priority. So what personal growth? Like right now what you all are doing is the personal growth. Through MTT, you had attended several webinars. Right from starting, I could say that since when the pandemic has started, MTT has started its work also. It's a great, you can say, a great platform for the teachers to polish themselves, because none of the platform gives such a opportunity to develop yourself, and that is up to free. You can even you can even pay also, and that you should pay, because you are getting those courses or you are getting that knowledge just for a amount of 100 or 200. So that is not that difficult to pay. So what I want to say, that you have to give priority. Like for example, I had taken the example of personal development. So learning online or online tools, these are all personal development. Learning better communication is your personal development. Learning how to do your work, learning how to manage your work is your personal development. So you have to focus on that. So priority wise, you have to make the list. Then you have to figure out what action plan you will be taking, isn't it? Like now you are taking the action already. You are attending the webinars, you are getting the certified, you are also applying it. So that means you are taking the action. Then you have to even put some time in that so that you can utilize it. Like you had learned many tools over here on Zoom and all. You have to utilize those tools, because unless and until you don't utilize, you won't get mastery in that particular thing. Then you have to eliminate the distraction. Whenever you are learning, whenever you want that your personal growth should be there, you have to eliminate all the distractions. What could be the distraction? Like social media. If you are too much involved in social media, you have to limit it. So this can be the priority steps, you can say. And then take time to reflect. Take time to reflect means you should see that whatever you are working on, is it giving you benefit or not? Is your stress level going down or not? So when you reflect, you come to know. So this way you can examine and act on priorities. Then you have to find the opportunities also. See, the question mark is given. That question mark comes when you are stressed. So you have to find the opportunities. Whenever we are in stress, no, our mind start working very hard. क्या करूँ, ये करूँ, वो करूँ, ऐसे करूँ, वैसे करूँ. It happens, and in that you find several opportunities. Now, as a teacher, you have many opportunities. Maybe you are not looking into that. You can be an online tutor also. You can create your own profile. You can be a full-time teacher, whatever you want. You can even apply now in abroad. Why? Because these all skills are used in abroad. Now you are not going behind. You are with the same pace with the other countries also. Because this situation is throughout the world. What they are doing, we are doing. And in India, we are using all those advanced technologies which other countries' teachers are using. And we are knowing all those tools also. So there are many opportunities you can go, you can find, and not necessary that you have to use your expertise only in teaching only. Even you have several hobbies, you can use your hobbies as your earning source. You can be a blogger, you can write an article. So there are several opportunities before you when you come and learn in this online sessions. So you have to see where you could go and where you can find out the way, so that you can limit your stress. Okay. Next. Then increase your intelligence. Whenever we are in stress or some kind of emotional or tension, our mind starts working with extra speed. And with those extra speeds, we think a lot. And many ideas come to us. You can take the example of MTT. Now MTT initially was at a very एक जैसे बच्चा था और बच्चे से अब वो बड़ा पेड़ बनते जा रहा है. I had seen, because I am here from first video, from that Zoom what they had. So I learned a lot from that. But it is a remarkable step, you can say, during this pandemic. The co-founder of MTT, he has thought about this. He worked on the development of the teachers. So that is really, really very interesting. So in how it happens, due to little bit tension and all that, the intelligence power increase. And so there was a way. Now the another picture shows that you can go deep into your memories also, because whenever you are in stress, you think about the previous situations which happened in your past and what steps you had taken at that time. You recall all those things, and accordingly you take the decisions. So you can your stress can give a positive change, isn't it? You can use your memories, and you, with the help of your memories, you can add on your past, whatever your past decisions you have taken, and if those decisions were really useful to you, you can apply it in future, you can apply it in your present. Next. Then welcome optimal frustration. See, success is nothing but a struggle, and without struggle we don't like anything. Like struggle is, it brings us inspiration. So welcome it, because if frustration is not there, you won't achieve that success. So stress it gives little kind of optimal frustration, and from frustration you achieve success. Okay, next. Then develop strategies. See, there are whatever I said in the previous slides, like whenever you are stressed, your mind starts working too hard, isn't it? And for any work, you start developing strategies, like this work is there. Now what should I do? Now what should I do? You develop many different strategies to do your same work. So you find the smartest way, and then accordingly you plan your activities, you make your action plans, then you fix your goals. So when you develop a strategy, you only come to know that how you are going to complete this work. That will make your work very easy, and you will never know that what kind of stress or nothing. You will live a very happy and good life. Then next, involve others. See, most of the time what happens, we just think that I only will do this work, will be done better than me. And what happened? That me and I, that creates what? A bundle of work. A bundle of work, then automatically it is going to stress you. So why not take the help of your colleagues? Why not take the help of your friends? Why? Because see, different person have different perspective. They have different ideas. Maybe those ideas can bring something new, and you can get a new change. You can even develop yourself through involving others. So by involving others, you can do as many as things you can never even have thought about it. So involving others is also a better way to change your stress to a positive change. Then develop a positive mindset. Earlier when this pandemic started and that online class, I am very sure that 90% teachers or 90% academician, whoever, they have told that, Arey Bapre, what type of this online learning I am not used to. I had never used these apps. I don't know how to use it. I am not able to make the PPT. I am not able to make any kind of worksheets and all. It is so difficult for me. But slowly, what happened? If you take that stress, you could have stopped that moment only. You could have quitted. But now, if you are here, that means you have not quitted. You had made up your mind positive. So that what, like earlier you were in the very ground state, but now you are there on the top. Yes, I did. See, you can see at many stages there are different wordings. I won't do it. I can't do it. I want to do it. How do I do it? I will try to do it. I can do it. I will do it. And yes, I did it. So this type of positive mindset will help you to change your stress to a positive change. Instead of going negative, you will go to positive. Okay. That was the end of the slide.